Hi! In this video I will show you how to embed the Universal Viewer inside the website. To show the steps, I am using the CodePen platform. First of all, access the My AR Studio panel, select your product and decide which configuration you want to embed. Click on the Universal Viewer snippet deliverable and click this button to copy into the clipboard. Paste the snippet inside the HTML part of your page. This is enough to embed the Universal Viewer inside the web page. Let's give it a meaningful place. To do so, we need to place the iframe inside a container, create a div and give it a class. In the CSS section, set a size for the container. Now the Universal Viewer fits inside the container we reserved to it. If you want to remove the border, which is automatically assigned by the web browser, you can set a second CSS instruction. I invite you to see the example section of the My AR Studio website for ideas and embedding examples. As you saw, it's very easy to embed the Universal Viewer inside your website. The method you saw is generic and can be applied to any website. If you have special needs or if you like a better integration between your website and My AR Studio, you can contact us and tell us about your use case. We may suggest you a solution, create a dedicated tutorial, or develop a plugin that suits your needs.